By extended family members, humans and sparrows share a long, mutually beneficial relationship rooted in proximity and coexistence. Sparrows help control insect populations, reducing pests in gardens and farms. Their presence supports healthy ecosystems by aiding seed dispersal and contributing to natural balance. For humans, sparrows offer psychological benefits. Their songs, behavior, and daily activity provide comfort, connection to nature, and opportunities for environmental education. Sparrows also serve as indicators of ecological health, alerting communities to changes in habitat quality. By creating bird-friendly spaces, humans support sparrow populations, while sparrows, in turn, enrich human environments with biodiversity, beauty, and subtle ecological services. You are watching BAHAW की दुनिया. Like and subscribe.